Hello and welcome to the free Edicus education course Learning Esperanto, a course which is offered free on the internet to enable you to learn the Esperanto language, its culture and its history. Now the first question to ask is, why on earth would I want to learn Esperanto? Well, Esperanto is a language spoken by about 2 million people worldwide in about 115 different countries, and it's an international language which allows people to communicate without having to defer to somebody else's language. It was designed to maintain the peace. It was designed to be an even language across all peoples. Now, you could learn purely for the interest of the culture, the various items that are translated into Esperanto worldwide. It's a good hobby. But at the same time, you could also be looking at Esperanto from an educational point of view. We often use Esperanto as the foundation for learning other languages. It's a little bit like learning the recorder at school rather than going straight into a big musical instrument. It allows you to teach the foundations and then move upwards. Learning Esperanto has been proven to help you with a target language. Learning Esperanto for a short period of time and then learning the target language enables people to speak the target language more fluently than just learning the target language by itself. So come and join us in the next video and we'll get started learning about Esperanto, the language, the culture and its history. Welcome to the course.